Welcome back to Jent Tech, your go-to source for the latest in technology and software. Before we dive into today's exciting topic, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our valuable insights. Today, I've got something super handy to share with you all. I've created a detailed document that lists all the key combinations for shortcuts in Mac OS Ventura. Whether you're a multitasking maven or just looking to boost your efficiency, these shortcuts will have you navigating your Mac with lightning speed. I'm going to show you this document and walk you through some of my favorite shortcuts, so stay tuned. Let's dive into the world of Mac OS Ventura shortcuts and take your productivity to the next level. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. We love hearing from our community, so don't hesitate to drop a comment below with any inquiries or thoughts you might have. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button.